Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pull data from one sheet which has the full data, which I've called full data, into another sheet based on a criteria. For example, I have data here which shows the name of the staff, department, and their salary. And I want on the next sheet or maybe data for only finance or HR or operations, or make it more flexible so that I can, instead of hard coding the finance department, and make it depend on a drop down. So let's see how we can do that. So this is my full data and I want to pull it to this sheet. What I have to do is to use the filter function and say the range that I want to filter is this range here, excluding the headers, comma, and on what condition am I going to filter this? I'm going to filter it based on the department, and the name of the department should be, for example, I can say finance in quotes. Because it is a text, we put it in quotes. If it was a number, we'd just put the number without the quotes. So when we close our brackets, hit enter, you can see on my sheet here, finance is pulled into this sheet. I'm pulling data from a different sheet to this sheet based on a condition, and my condition is give me only finance. Now, to improve this, you can make it more dynamic so that you don't need to go in all the time and change the formula here to put finance, then you put admin, or what we can do, we can create a drop down here and then link our formula to that. So to insert a drop down from a range, of course I can use a drop down here and I type my values, finance, add another one. I have operations, then come down here, add another item. I have admin, add another item. I have HR, I believe those are the ones. Then you say, okay. Now I have my departments here. So what I need to do is change my formula to depend on this cell E2. So to do that, all I have to do is go here and link it to this cell and press enter. Now, because there's nothing selected here, it is compared 0, it's comparing the empty space as the criteria and it's getting nothing. However, if I select finance, you can see finance data is automatically pulled from the other sheet to this sheet. Let's try operations. That's wonderful. Then try admin. That's great. Then try HR. That is very good. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and see you in the next video.